Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So just take a recap what we study in previous videos. So we have studied about the quadrilaterals. Four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Quad means four, right? So a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, four vertex. Then we studied about the types of quadrilaterals, right? So let's see which types we have studied. We studied rectangles, the quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and opposite sides are equal and parallel, and all angles are right angle. Next quadrilateral is square. In this all angles are right angle and opposite sides are parallel. All sides are equal. Then next parallelogram. So in this parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are also equal. Then rhombus, opposite sides are parallel and all sides are equal. Then we study the property of triangle. So what is the property of triangle? First we understand with the help of this example that the addition of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. Repeat again. The addition of two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. Get it? This is the first property. Then we are we will now start the second property. Okay, the explanation of this property is given in this activity. That's why we just see the only this lab activity. Just see for the purpose of it only to understand the second property. Okay, afterwards I will explain all the maths lab activity in the end. Okay, so let's see. Draw a triangle on a sheet. Cut out the triangle, makes three angles 1 2 3. See here, this is the triangle and this is angles 1 2 3. Tear off each angle as shown. Stick the three angles in your notebook like this. Okay, what do you observe? Yes, these angles, if we cut these angles and then we stick such like this, then you can observe that the addition of these three angles is always 180. Okay, I will repeat the property of triangle. Second property of triangle is, listen carefully, the angle of a triangle is add up to 180. Otherwise you can say the addition of the angles of a triangle is always 180. Okay, repeat with me. The addition of angles of a triangle is always 180. Okay, fine. So let's start. Okay, we will start now this exercise. Exercise 7.8. A. For each triangle, can calculate the size of the unmarked angle. So take pencil in your hand because we will solve this exercise in book only. Right? Page number 116. So open page number 116 and take pencil in your hand. We both understand also and solve this exercise also. Okay, I will wait for you. Fine, everyone is ready? So let's start. See here, the angle is given 60, 70. Okay, so what is our rule? The addition is 180. If we subtract the addition of these two from 180, we get the third angle. Right now, because addition of this angle is 180, right? Two angles we know, so we have what we have to do, we have to subtract the addition of these two angles from 180, we get the third angle. Okay, so you have to write such like this: 180 minus in bracket 60 plus 70. 60 and 70 are the angles given of the triangles. Okay, two angles given of the this triangle. Okay, so 60 plus 70, it is 130. So 180 minus 130, we get 50. Okay, now next, I'm sorry, see 45 and 90 angles are given. Same process we have to take here: 180 minus in bracket 90 plus 45. Okay, so 180 minus 90 plus 45, that is 135. So 180 minus 135, we get 45. Next, 180 minus 55 plus 65, that means we get 180 minus 55 plus 65, we get 120. So 180 minus 60, we get 180 minus 120, we get 60. Okay, now let's see the next example. Just 1 minute. So see here, once again we have given two angles, that is 25 and 90. Okay, so 180 minus 90 plus 25, we get 115. Okay, so 180 minus 115, we get 65, right? Okay, now next, fifth one. Two angles are given here. Which are they? 60 and 90. Okay, so 180 minus 90 plus 60, that means 180 minus 150, we get 30. Okay, same process you have to take here. So sixth example you have to solve. Get it? Now, see B example. Which of the following cannot be measured, the measures of the three angles of a triangle? See, what is our property of a triangle? That the addition of angles of a triangle is 180. Now, if it is 180, then this is the triangle, and if it is not, then it is not a triangle. Okay. So see here, 90 plus 90 plus 20. So if we add 90 plus 90, we get 180. 180 plus 20, 200. So it is not the addition, right? So it is wrong. Next, 110 plus 90 plus 10. So 110 plus 90, we get 200. So 200 plus 10, we get 210. Is it the addition of triangle? No. So it is wrong. Then next, 98 plus 48 plus 34. So 98 plus 48, 8 plus 8, 16, carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 146. So 146 plus 34, we get 180. So yes, it is the addition of the angles of a triangle is 180. And next, 68 plus 110, I'm sorry, angle DL is 68, angle Q is 100, and angle R is 12. So let's take the addition. 68 plus 110, we get 178. So 178 plus 12, what we get? 190. So 190 is the addition of angles of a triangle? No. So it is not the addition of the angles of a triangle. Then next, 86, 42 and 52. So 86 plus 42, we get 6 plus 2, 8, and here 128. So 128 plus 52, we get 180. Okay, so it is the addition of angles of a triangle. Understand everyone? Now let's see the C example.